how to recover your Facebook deleted post. Hi guys, welcome back. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can recover your deleted post on Facebook. In order to recover your deleted post on Facebook, all you have to do is just go and log in into your Facebook account, and once you're logged in, that's going to directly take you to the home page. Right on this page, you need to go ahead and tap on the tab bar icon and go to the gear icon from there, and scroll down right to the bottom, and from here you need to go to download your information and click the continue button. As you've done that, you need to go through all of these and click on download or transfer and tap the next button. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to select the particular account for which you want to access the information. Then you need to go ahead and select for what type of information that you're looking for. So let's go ahead and select specific, and after that you need to go to the section where you have to select what type of information that you actually need and tap the next button. As soon as you've done that, you need to select whether you want to transfer to the other destination or you want to download it on the following device. So select that and click on create. Now all you have to do is wait patiently until you get further notified. So that's basically how you can recover your deleted post on Facebook. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.